FF Grip Power Tools. Cheap and cheerful power tools. Low price, high quality. What I actually like about them is they are actually repairable. Might be low price, high quality, but you can still buy all the spare parts. Even outside of the warranty, if you fail, you can get the things repaired again. This one is actually under warranty, being repaired. Actually, there's nothing wrong with this one. It's a brand new one that the parts were robbed out of to get the actual broken one up and running again. I just had to put the spare parts back into this one. Now, the original problem was the tool holder. The boy that bought it decided to use it to demolish a house. Eventually the tool holder snapped. So that's what needs to be changed. So this brand FF Grip, they're decent for what they are. They're about half the price of a normal brand instead of a Bosch or something. Good for somebody who doesn't do enough work to justify an expensive machine, but does enough to occasionally to hire a machine or something like that there. This brand FF Grip, perfect for that there. You can buy this for a low enough price and it's still good enough quality to use semi-professionally. So perfect for like an electrician or a plumber that does a wee bit of chising every once in a while. Doesn't want to run to hire one out, just wants to have it handy in the back of the van ready for work. Perfect for the likes of that. Tool holder for this one. Also need a new clip. Some of the stuff might not have been needed, just ordered it on anyway. But like I say, it's under warranty. Man lost the actual steel balls too. So let's replace them. And 2 seals for the striker. This one, unlike a standard teardown video of mine, it's a quick and easy fix. Just need to replace the tool holder. Straight swap for this one. As always, make sure there's plenty of grease in her. The O-rings for here. The other one didn't get broken, but don't want to take the risk. That's on there. Tool holder into the sleeve. And the actual O-rings, the striker bolt was actually damaged too. A good sign for any brand. Upgrades. Instead of using O-rings now, they've actually upgraded to lip seals or X-rings. A little bit more fancy. Need to do a much better job of keeping the dirt out and the grease on. That's that. Gently press them on. A little more grease. Make sure it doesn't come off. Just get a good Loctite onto them threads. We'll lock this on then and the vise. sure your big Nurlock washer's on there as well. So one-way job, teeth on it. Make sure it doesn't unscrew. Go ahead and snug it up. That's it, halfway there. Go ahead, slide on your cover. This is held on with the top plate. And it's just down to the tool holder. Your 4 steel balls in here. This plastic sleeve goes over the top. There's a steel ring in here to actually lock the balls on. There's a ring then that interlocks over the tool holder and the sleeve. And the point at which it bites. Drop her down. First circlip holds on that plate. And you've got your 2 pins, spring, your sleeve, washer, and the other circlip to hold that all together. Click that on, stick on your cap. We have one FF grip hammer up and running again with a new tool holder. Nice one, nice one. FF grip, cheap and cheerful brand that you can actually get spare parts for, so you can keep them going even outside of warranty. That's her.